National COVID-19 Emergency Response Committee and Joint Secretary to the Interfaith Council for COVID-19. He has served as a member of several task forces, Elder of the Order of the Burning Spear, EBS, for his outstanding contribution in the fight against COVID-19. Congratulations, Daktari. She is also a member of the COVID-19 task force advising on schools reopening and protocols. She is the principal investigator. She is awarded the Moran of the Order of the Burning Spear, MBS, for her dedicated public service and sacrifice in the fight against COVID-19. Congratulations, Daktari. The next, in 2004, she won the gold championship in the 42-kilometer marathon held in Paris, France, and also in the year 2007, the same race held in
Ni hakwa ti hinya wakwa ni hinya wa Ngai na hinya wa andu acio makoretwo makiona he bata wa gugithura ni nguthi na mbere maundu maria ngoretwo ngika muno makiria gitumi kiria kiatumire heo ngerenwa ino ni uhoro wa kindu gitagwo medical camps utungata wa mĩĩrĩ ya andu ni andu ingi rumwe maria maguthie thibitari ni undu wa mbeca iria cirihagio ku thibitari kana na hihi wathie thibitari ukaga ndawa ukaga macicio taru kora macicio mamwe mendagio ciringi 5,000 2,000 3,000 na hindi yo mutumia mukuru muthuri mukuru kana mwanake munini uri utee na mbeca ndangihota ku afford utungata ucio ni nguthi na mbere kumatungata na thi na mbere gugicokeria ngatho wathamini na tukoretwo tunyitanire nao kuma miaka iyo yothe tukahota gwika utungata ucio uri uratumire heo ngerenwa iyo na bado matho maria ngoretwo ngitindika bunge maguteithĩrĩria muingi wa gwitu Kenya yothe ta muno makiri horo wa revenue sharing formula kio nikio gitumi kigi kiatumire heo ngerenwa ino uguo ndirarũĩrĩire mbeca nyingi muno ciroka guku Mount Kenya nginya gutetera arimi a indo iria marimaga indo ngũrani gutetera arimi a kahũa a macani a makondobia koguo ni nguthi na mbere na ucio niguo mwito uria hihi Ngai aheire wa gukorwo gitetera andu aitu riria mena mathina.